Dear students, from today we are going to start a new ribbon known as Review ribbon in Microsoft Word. And today we will be focusing on proofing group available in Review ribbon. So today we will be discussing the topics of spelling and grammar, define, thesaurus, and word count. So let's start the practical. So we have the same document on which we were working previously. So let's go to the Review ribbon. And here is the proofing ribbon available. So you can check the spellings and grammar of your document. So Microsoft Word has a very innovative solution to check the grammar and spelling to some extent of your documents. So if you make very basic mistakes, so Microsoft Word can tell you that it looks that here is a mistake. So for example, if I change the I misspell the spellings of word like this one. So you can also see that there is a red line which is showing that the spelling of this word are not correct. So on this document, if I click on spelling and grammar, so let's see what happens. When I click, it says that there is a problem in spelling of words, and these are the options. So you can select words, world, or wordy. So these are the three words which are more near to the spellings of words. So if I select OK, I want to go with this. So now it is moving to the next thing. It is saying that EDC should have a should have a point or period at the end. So I said OK, do it. So you can see that the spellings are being corrected. So such kind of things you can apply, and it can also tell you to some extent if you make very major mistakes in the grammar. So it can also tell you this word. Then the next thing is the define. So if you are connected online and if you click on any of the word, for example, I say, okay, I want to get the information about module, select it. Go online, click on the define, and it will show you here the meanings of define. Then the next thing is thesaurus. So here it can suggest you other ways to say the same thing. So for example, if I want to say module, so let's see if I click on it, what it says. So it says you can replace this word in your document with unit, component, element, segment, part, section. So all of these are kind of synonyms or kind of words which can be used in place of module. So thesaurus can help you if you want to use the same thing again and again. So it's better to use different words in place at certain positions. However, if in a document sometimes you need to be remain consistent, so in that case you should follow the module are the same words throughout your document. But if you are defining or describing something, then in that situation you can select some of the other words which suits you perfectly. Then there is another option which can tell you the word count. So if I click on it, so it tells me that this document have number of pages, number of words, characters. So let's say I'm not selecting this one. So now what it says, so there are 4 pages because previously I have selected only one word, that's why everything was 111. Now it is telling that there are 4 pages. Yes, total number of words are 1388, characters without space and character with space, paragraphs are 52 and lines are 115. And we are also including the things which are represented in text boxes, which we have learned in the last module. We have also included the footnotes and endnotes. So similar thing can be applied on this document. So let's see what it says over here. So we are in the review, and let's say we have clicked on the counting, and it says that their total number of pages 26, word count 9,814, and all of the other information is being displayed. And if you uncheck this button, so then you have seen that there is some differences, because no, it's not including any text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes. So that's it. From today's session, we have learned about spelling, define, thesaurus, and counting. So let's conclude today's module. We have learned about the review ribbon, and in the review ribbon we have covered these topics: spelling and grammar, define, thesaurus, and word count. So in the next modules we will be exploring other options available in this ribbon.